Hey DTF Station family, I have an awesome announcement to make. We have a new member of our Prestige family, the Prestige XL4. Under the hood, we have 4 Epson i3200 printheads, dual CMYK, which really means we're getting print speeds of over 100 square feet per hour. If you already own a DTF printer and you're looking to upgrade to something faster, more reliable, then that's the XL4. The really cool part though is if you already own a Prestige printer, we've kept all the awesome features that you've known to love, such as auto wet capping, print head detection sensor, our DigiRip software, which makes it really easy to operate, but we just made it into a faster 4-head model, and you get to use the same awesome quick glide film that we've all known to love as well. The Prestige XL4 is perfect if you want to take your production to the next level. Because the Prestige XL4 is so fast, you need a shaker dryer that can keep up with it. Our L24R is the preferred shaker dryer for this machine. It auto-circulates your powder, so you don't have to keep manually refilling it, which makes it the ideal shaker dryer for the XL4. Don't miss out on the fastest DTF printer on the market.